What is NEP or National Education Policy? The National Education Policy is a policy created by the Government of India to regulate and promote education in the country. It aims to provide quality education to all students regardless of their economic or social background. The National Education Policy of India 2020 was started by the Union Cabinet of India on 29th July 2020, outlines the vision of new education system of India. The new policy replaces the previous national policy on education 1986. In the new academic structure 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 as suggested by the NEP 2020, the new education system will follow a 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 education system where the students will spend 5 years in strengthening their foundation, 3 years in the preparatory stage, 3 years in the middle stage, and rest 4 years in the secondary stage. It aims to develop critical thinking, creativity, and innovation in students. Instead of exams being held every academic year, school students will only attend 3 exams. That means in classes 2, 5, and 8. Board exams will be continued to be held for classes 10 and 12 but will be redesigned. Standards for this will be established by an assessment body, Parakh or performance assessment, review and analysis of knowledge for holistic development. To make them easier, these exams would be conducted twice a year, with students being offered up to 2 attempts. The exam itself would have 2 parts, namely the objective and the descriptive. The policy aims at reducing the curriculum load of students and allowing them to be more interdisciplinary and multilingual. One example given was if a student wants to pursue fashion studies with physics, or if one wants to learn bakery with chemistry, they will be allowed to do so. Report cards will be holistic, offering information about the student's skills. Coding will be introduced from class 6 and experiential learning will be adopted. The midday meal scheme will be extended to include breakfasts. More focus will be given to students' health, particularly mental health, through the deployment of counselors and social workers. ଲୋକସେବା ଭବନ କନଭେନସନ୍ ସେଣ୍ଟରରେ 2020 ଶିକ୍ଷାନୀତି ସମ୍ପର୍କିତ ଏକ 3 ଦିନିଆ ଜାତୀୟ କର୍ମଶାଳା ଅନୁଷ୍ଠିତ ହୋଇଛି। ଏଥିରେ ମୁଖ୍ୟମନ୍ତ୍ରୀ ଶ୍ରୀ ମୋହନ ଚରଣ ମାଝୀ ଓ କେନ୍ଦ୍ର ଶିକ୍ଷାମନ୍ତ୍ରୀ ଶ୍ରୀ ଧର୍ମେନ୍ଦ୍ର ପ୍ରଧାନ ଯୋଗଦେଇ ଓଡ଼ିଶାରେ ଏହାର କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକାରିତା ସମ୍ପର୍କରେ ଆଭିମୁଖ୍ୟ ରଖିଛନ୍ତି। ନୂତନ ଶିକ୍ଷାନୀତିରେ ପ୍ରାଥମିକ ଶିକ୍ଷା କ୍ଷେତ୍ରରେ ସୁଦୃଢ଼ ଭିତ୍ତିଭୂମି ସୃଷ୍ଟି ଓ ଗୁଣାତ୍ମକ ଶିକ୍ଷା ଉପରେ ଗୁରୁତ୍ୱ ପ୍ରଦାନ କରାଯିବ। ଆସନ୍ତା ଶିକ୍ଷାବର୍ଷ ଠାରୁ ଏହି ନୂଆ ନୀତି କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକାରୀ ହେବ। ମୁଖ୍ୟମନ୍ତ୍ରୀ କହିଥିଲେ ଯେ 10+2 ବ୍ୟବସ୍ଥା ବଦଳରେ ରାଜ୍ୟରେ 5+3+3+4 ବ୍ୟବସ୍ଥା ଲାଗୁ କରାଯିବ। ପ୍ରି ସ୍କୁଲ ଶିକ୍ଷା ଉପରେ ଗୁରୁତ୍ୱ ଦିଆଯାଇ ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଶିଶୁ ବାଟିକା ଖୋଲାଯିବ। ଶିଶୁ ବାଟିକାରେ ପିଲାଙ୍କ ଉପରେ ବିନା କୌଣସି ଚାପରେ ସେମାନଙ୍କ ମୌଳିକ ଓ ସଂଖ୍ୟା ଜ୍ଞାନ ଉପରେ ଗୁରୁତ୍ୱ ଦିଆଯିବ। ଏଥିପାଇଁ ଆଗାମୀ ବର୍ଷମାନଙ୍କରେ ବ୍ୟାପକ ଭିତ୍ତିଭୂମି ସୃଷ୍ଟି କରାଯିବ। ତ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ମନରେ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ଉଠୁଥିବ 5+3+3+4 ବ୍ୟବସ୍ଥା ପ୍ରକୃତରେ କ'ଣ? ତ ଆଗରୁ ଆମେ ଯେମିତି 10+2 ଥିଲା, 10th ପରେ 11th 12th ଆମେ ପଢ଼ୁଥିଲୁ। ସେଇଟା ହେଉଛି ଶିକ୍ଷାନୀତି 1986 अनुसार थिला किंतु वर्तमान नुआ शिक्षा नीति 2020 एपरी एक नुआ व्यवस्था लागू कराउछि आउ एबे आम ओडिसा रे एठी ताहा प्रचलन हेबो। तो सहज उपाय बुझा हेले आपण माने देखंतु प्रथम 5 वर्ष होची कौन ताकू पुणी 2 भाग रे विभक्त करा जाइछि। फर्स्ट 3 इयर्स होची प्री स्कूल स्टेज और आंगनवाड़ी और बाल वाटिका एमनगर एज ग्रुप हम 3 to 6 तापर होची 6 to 8 एज ग्रुप से माने क्लास 1 और 2 पढ़िबे। ये टोटल स्टेज टाको कुहा होची फाउंडेशनल कहीं एटा होची भित्तिभूमि सुदृढ़ करवा पाइंका। तापर स्टेज होची प्रिपरेटरी क्लास 3 to 5 एज ग्रुप 8 to 11 years. Then the next stage is middle class 6 to 8 age group 11 to 14 and that is also 3 years. Then at last 9 to 12 class 9 to 12 secondary age group 14 to 18 4 years. एटा को हमें कहूचे 5 + 3 + 3 + 4